For faster, more precise triangulation and traverse measurements, you will see a Traverse Assistant with a total station. Open the Traverse Assistant app, tap the Bluetooth icon, select the brand-like source, scan for the instrument's Bluetooth name and connect. First, we need to create a new project. Tap the plus button and you will see the software of 4 project tabs: triangulation and traverse, connection survey, trigonometric leaving, and level. Since the observation process and the templates for these 4 types of surveys vary significantly, they are divided into different project tabs. Users can select the project tab based on their actual needs. Here, we will choose triangulation and traverse. A pop-up will appear. Enter the project name and select the tolerance scheme. The software manages or observes the data with preset tolerance based on national standards like engineering surveying, reveals, urban transit, and so on. If data exceeds the tolerance, the software will urge you to re-observe. Fill in the tolerance values as per the standards. The software's preset schemes are designed for China's surveying industry and may not fit your region. You can add a custom scheme if needed. Once you start surveying, you can't change the tolerance scheme. This slope distance button lets you switch how distances are displayed. When turned on, the software shows slope distance. When off, it shows horizontal distance. We recommend using slope distance. A quick tip: the software records slope distance directly from the instrument, while horizontal distance is calculated from slope distance and the vertical angle. A station is where measurements happen. After creating a project, set up a station as a single station where you can pick any targets with no limits or an entire traverse. You will need point info into control points and target points, just names if they are unknown. Click single station. First, pick a station point that is where the total station is set up. Choose one point, either no control point or an unknown point. Then, select at least 2 target points, which can be control points or unknown points. Click Confirm to save and the station name will match the selected points. Next, tap Start. Find your station in the list and begin measuring. When you first enter a station, you will need to record the temperature, humidity, pressure, and prism heat. 2 things to note. 1. If you can't measure the weather data, you can select the standard weather values and click Confirm. 2. The software won't correct the measurements based on this elemental data. It's only saved for reference. If you can't measure these values, just click Default Data. Keep the defaults and hit Confirm. The measurement scheme shows the current station name at the top, the current run name below, and a drop-down menu in the top right corner to switch between runs. The highlighted section shows the targets, observation tabs, and the progress for the current run. It also promotes you to use the face left or face right position, ensuring flow the instructions. Just observe as promoted and make sure the angles are left angles, otherwise it could cause adjustment errors. The software automatically checks the measurement data against the tolerance scheme, including 2C errors, half-round zero errors, and the slope distance discrepancies. It will promote you to real measurement. After finishing all rounds, click a check in the top right. The software calculates 0 adjusted horizontal angles and the distance for each target. Only stations that pass the check can export data, so don't forget to click it. This completes the station. The software supports creating different station tabs like branch, connecting, close, and open traverse. It gets you to set the observation order based on the traverse shape. For example, with the connecting traverse, best no points on both ends and no points in between. The software will auto-generate the station list for observation. That's how you quickly finish triangulation and traverse measurements with the Traverse Assistant. Thanks for watching. Give it a try.